show you exactly. So that is the bit. I modified it. It was a point, but it was too blunt. So I want it to fit right there to knock that center pin out of these rivets. This is an air hammer bit. So I have this tip here. It's just like a chisel tip. After knocking out with this one, knocking out the center pin, coming and shearing the rivet. Bam. I tried it without knocking the pin out just to see if, you know, maybe the air hammer's strong enough just to knock it off regardless of the pin or not. And it does seem to go faster with the center pin punched through. So I'm just going to do that all the way across on every seam of every panel.